Alright everybody, and welcome back to the Goody Pantry. First off, thank you to everybody who just recently subscribed from my last video, and I'll check out all my other videos and I hope you enjoy them. So today we're going to be making Irish stew. Now St. Patrick's Day is just around the corner, so I thought I'd do a few videos with an Irish theme. So let's start it off with today's, which is the Irish stew. There's your ingredients on the screen. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure to hit the bell icon so you're notified for all new videos. Let's get straight into it. So these ingredients, I've got the lamb, and then I've got my potatoes, I've got my leeks and my onions, I've got carrots, I've got garlic, I've got Worcestershire sauce, I've got my fresh thyme, and I've got 500 ml of vegetable stock. So I'm going to be using the slow cooker for this. Now this is a new slow cooker I got and it's really good. It does searing, it does rice, it does everything. So maybe check this one out. So I've got it on sear mode right now, and all I've done, this part's optional, I've just added a couple of tablespoons of flour to the lamb and tossed it around. So we're going to put that in and spread it all out evenly. And like I said, this is on a sear mode. So this is going to sear all the lamb with the flour, and it'll give it a nice char when it's done. So I'm going to put the lid back on and just leave that for about a minute while it does its thing. And then we take the lid off and give it a good stir. Now you should be able to see where it's been browning off, but I will zoom in as well just so you can see it better. So that's the searing of the lamb, which is very unique for a slow cooker to be able to have these kind of functions. So next we're going to go in with our garlic, and then I'm going to add the leeks and the onions. So once you've done that, start giving it a stir around, and you want to leave your leeks quite chunky. They will break up as they're going on, but it adds a better texture. So now I'm going to go in with the fresh thyme, and as I say, when you've done this, you just got to give it another stir. If you're unsure about this, you just pull the thyme leaves backwards down the stalk like that, and that takes the thyme off. So once you've got that in, give it another good stir. And then we're going to pop the lid back on and leave it for about another 90 seconds. So then we're going to add our seasoning. So this is salt, just salt and pepper, and just do this to your own taste to how much you would like. I would advise only putting a little bit in to start and then taste it at the end. So next is going in with the carrots, and then we're going in with the potatoes. And we're just going to do the same thing. I'm going to give that a stir because we want to have it quite even within the pot. And then I'm going to start pouring over our vegetable stock. And then going in with the Worcestershire sauce. And then once we've gotten that one final stir, just to even it all out, we're going to put the lid on. Now the idea of the flour at the start on the lamb is what that'll do. That flour, although it crisps it, will help it give it a slight thickening agent for your sauce. So this is now just going to cook for about 6 hours on a low heat. And then after the 6 hours, this is what it looks like. Now at this point everything's fork tender, the meat, the potatoes, and you can see the slight thickness of the sauce there that I've got. If you wanted it slightly thicker, you could just thicken it with some gravy granules to get it to your preferred likeness. But this is how I like to eat it. So now that that's done, I'm just going to start dishing it up. Now this is all in one pot, so you're going to get yourself a good helping of Irish stew. And then just to finish it off, and again this part's also optional, but I've got some fresh parsley and some fresh chives that I've just mixed together, and it just adds a little extra taste. And then finally, the best way to have Irish stew was with a good chunk of homemade Irish soda bread. And that's it. quick one today, guys, but I hope you enjoyed it. Give this a try. It's a really tasty dish. And if you want to see the Irish Strudel bread, keep watching because I will be uploading a video for that. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.